anyways, thank you so much for today, Mia. And yeah, you do have a good one. I'll see you again next class, okay? Bye. Take care. Bye.
Hello.
Uh-oh. Okay. How, Crystal? How are
Yeah.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Oh. Did you do anything special today?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Well, you're still on vac. Oh no. Are you a student or are you working?
I'm a student.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, how old are you already?
I'm 21 years old.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, why is it too long to finish school in Korea? I was 19 when I graduated in college. Yeah,
I don't know.
really?
Yeah.
So, how do Koreans graduate?
Pardon me?
How old do Koreans graduate from the university?
For women, 23 years old. In Korean
Uh-huh.
age, in international age, 21. And for
Uh-huh.
men, 23 in international age.
Why is it different?
Because men joined the army.
Oh, yeah, for
Yeah.
2 years.
Yes.
Oh, no. Oh, my.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it's unfair that only men go to the military service and not women?
For me, it's not fair. It's
Uh-huh.
fair because
Uh-huh.
it's not my situation. Maybe
Mhm.
men will think another way.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Uh,
But I heard
yeah.
when men start working,
Yeah.
they get higher salary than
Yeah.
women. Is
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
true?
Yeah.
Is that fair?
Oh, yeah, it's fair.
Really? Why is it fair?
Oh, because in Korea, men cannot get enough money when they
Uh-huh.
join the army.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Uh,
So,
it.
do you want to join the military?
No, 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 no.
Why? Why?
I cannot use my phone or computer, and
Oh.
I think I have no right to do
Uh-huh.
something freely.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Why do men need to join the military?
I don't know. I think. We're separated country.
Hmm? What do you mean?
Uh, Divided country.
Oh, you mean you in North Korea?
Mm, yeah.
So if you're divided, why do you need to go to the military?
Because someone should protect our country
Mm-hmm.
and
From
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 North Korea.
why is North Korea harassing you guys?
Actually, yeah, for sometimes they,
Sometimes.
yeah, they launch a missile
Mhm.
the to our side
Uh-huh.
and in DMZ
Uh-huh. Yeah.
some fight happens.
Uh-huh.
So
Oh,
yeah,
okay. That's too bad.
yeah,
It's because North Korea has a crazy leader, right?
yeah,
Yeah. Oh, that's too bad.
yeah,
Okay. Well, I can see you're studying vowels,
yes,
right?
yeah,
Natural speech. Why are you studying natural speech? Are you going to take a test or something?
yes.
Oh, really? What test?
IELTS.
Oh, okay. So why this?
Huh?
Why not IELTS course?
Ah, I studied IELTS before,
Mm-hmm.
but it's a little bit difficult to me.
Oh, yeah?
So I'll start from the easier one.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Well, actually, yeah, this is okay, but
Yeah.
I think you should focus more on answering. the
Ah,
questions and
ah,
not this.
I'm not
Yeah.
that. I don't need to hurry. I have much time.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
When do you plan to take the test?
about 1 year later.
Mhm.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that your dog?
Ah, yes. Ah,
What breed is it?
poodle.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
so cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's move on then. And
Yeah.
what's your lesson now? Lesson
Lesson six, seven.
lesson 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. So how was your score in the recording?
Recording.
Yeah.
You mean the initial test?
Your initial test, right? How was it?
I will show you my. Oh. Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oops, it's taking forever to open.
Ah.
Lack of distinction from short E and long E. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Distinction from A. Oh my. Okay, but this is just the initial test, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you're learning it, so you know what to do next time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we do have the sound. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
start. Ban.
Yep.
Ban.
Ban.
Sam.
Sam.
Act.
Act.
Add.
Add.
Okay, your turn. Okay.
Yep.
This one, please.
Bad.
Mhm.
Black.
Mhm.
Crab.
Good.
Drag.
Good.
Fan.
Mhm.
Jazz.
Good.
Land.
Mhm.
Man.
Mhm.
Nag.
Okay.
Prank.
Good.
Rag.
Okay.
Blanket.
Mhm.
Handle.
Okay.
Damage.
Okay.
Fashion.
Good.
Happy.
Okay.
Plastic.
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 Okay.
Shampoo.
Good. Next.
Half.
Uh-huh. And
Banana.
good.
Oh,
All right. Next one.
yep.
Oops.
Uh,
Can you see it?
yes.
Okay. Next.
Yep. Act.
Okay.
Add.
Good.
Ash.
Okay.
Absent.
Mhm.
Astral.
Mhm.
Abstract.
Good.
Accent.
Okay.
Acid.
Good.
Addict.
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 Good.
Album.
Mhm.
Alley.
Mhm.
Alley.
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 Mhm.
Aloe.
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 Mhm.
Anchor.
Mhm.
Apple.
Good.
Attitude. Huh?
Attitude.
Attitude.
Mhm.
Accident.
Okay.
Actual.
Okay.
Africa.
Good.
Al- Alcohol.
Okay.
Oh, I'm really difficult to pronounce. Differently this
Alcohol.
alcohol,
Mhm.
alcohol,
Uh-huh.
alcohol,
Alcohol.
alcohol,
Uh-huh. Okay.
alcohol.
And
Yeah,
alcohol.
alcohol.
Mhm.
Allergy.
Allergy. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Moving on then, please.
Yeah. Ant.
Mhm.
Guarantee.
Good.
Guarantee. Guarantee.
Guarantee.
Guarantee.
Mhm.
Laugh.
Mhm.
Laughter.
Very good.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Now the sentences. You want
Yeah.
to read it, or I will read it, and then you will read. What do you like?
You read first and I read after you.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna be easier, right? Yeah, that's a good choice. You want to make your life, easier. Okay.
Yeah.
A fat black cat was mad when the can of ham fell on a pan.
Oh my god, too fast.
Oh, you
Oh,
want it slower?
oh, can I read slower?
Okay, sure.
A fat, oh, a fat black cat was mad when the can of ham fell on the pan.
Very good. What does it mean?
A fat black cat was angry when the ham,
hmm
is it like a spam?
Yes, yes.
A ham of can fell on the pan. Oh my god.
Does your dog get angry when his or her food is, dropped or something?
Actually, my dog likes to fall.
Oh, really?
He's can. He
Uh-huh.
likes um, play with his food.
Uh-huh. He
Yeah,
plays with his food.
yeah,
Oh, okay. That's
yeah,
normal for animals, right?
yeah,
Okay. Moving on, number two.
yeah.
Pam is a talented actress who managed to land a contract with a man.
Pam is a talented actress who managed to land a contract with a man.
Again, managed.
Huh? Managed? Man?
It's like there's letter T at the end.
Managed.
Managed.
Teacher, is it E or this one?
Ah,
Ma,
yes, managed.
ma.
Yes,
Ah, oh,
managed.
managed.
Okay, don't forget this letter T here. Remove the D sound and
Yeah.
change it to T sound, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Can you say managed 3 times?
Managed, managed, managed.
Perfect.
Oh,
Very good.
yeah.
Okay, one more, please.
Yep. Pam is a talented actress who managed to land a contract with a man.
Very good. Okay,
Oh,
next, number 3.
yep.
Dan translated a book about African ants into 5 languages.
Oh, Dan translated a book about African ants into 5 languages.
Oh, how many languages can you speak, Crystal?
Hmm? Mm, you mean
Korean, of course you know Korean, and then English.
I don't
The,
speak English really very well.
it's okay. Do you know any other languages?
Ah,
Like French or Italian?
Japanese a little.
Oh, you know how to speak Japanese?
Yeah, my mother is
Really?
a translator.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have Japanese blood or something?
No, no, no.
No?
Yeah.
So your mom studied Japanese.
Yes.
Ah, she must be really good at it.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. What Japanese words do you know?
Huh? Pardon me?
What Japanese words do you know?
Ah, itadakimasu.
What does it
Uh,
mean?
it means you should say it before you eat something.
What's that? What is it like a prayer or something?
Mm,
What should you say before you eat something?
잘 먹겠습니다 in Korean. Do you know
Uh-huh.
Korean?
No, I only
Ah,
know I only
ah,
know
ah.
안녕하세요. I only hear like 사랑해 in the Korean
ah,
drama. Yeah, those
ah.
stuff like
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. What about Chinese? Do you know Chinese?
No.
Never?
Yeah.
Oh, if there's one language that you want to learn, what is it? Aside from English.
Ah, Spanish.
Why do you want to learn Spanish?
I heard that it is really, really useful when I
Uh-huh.
travel abroad.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, you only what countries do speak Spanish?
Uh,
Mexico, I think. They speak
Actually,
Spanish there.
the second common spoken language language
Mhm.
language is Spanish.
Oh, really?
Yes, not English or Chinese.
Oh. Okay. We were colonized by Spanish people for 400 years.
Ah.
So maybe our ancestors know how to speak Spanish, but
Oh.
some of our words are actually adapted from, the Spanish dialect.
Oh.
So,
Oh.
yeah. Hmm. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Well, moving on. Next
Yep.
one, please. Number 4.
Yep.
Oh, okay, it's my turn. Okay. Actually, I have an answer to the drug addict problem.
Actually, I have an answer to the drug addict problem. A
Yes.
teacher.
Hmm.
Answer. Answer.
Answer.
Answer.
Yes.
Ah. Yes.
Do you have an answer to a drug addict problem, Crystal?
um, um, I don't know, but they need love and care of family.
Really? Why do you think love and care of family is important?
Because if they have a lover or who
Mhm.
loves them, who loves him,
Mhm.
then he will try to mm, mm, fix the problem
Mhm.
earlier.
Mm. Do you think your family loves you?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so you will never ever be a drug addict.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Do you know anyone who is a drug addict?
You mean a celebrity?
Not necessarily. Maybe in your neighborhood or in your town, in your city.
No, no.
Really? It's not
Yeah.
common then.
Yeah.
In my country, it's very common. It's a big problem.
Oh.
Yeah, there are 4 million drug addicts. Yes.
It's
Yeah.
too many.
It's too many. It's too many. That's
Wow.
why we are lucky our president is doing something about it.
Ah, I
So,
heard it. Oh,
yeah,
oh,
he's doing a great job
oh,
trying to fix the problem with drugs. It's very
oh,
hard.
oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, what about Korea? What is the problem of Korea?
uh, uh, ah, 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 family violence.
A family violence, really?
It's
What
not
kind of?
that common, but
Uh-huh.
it often appears in the news.
Mhm. Oh, really? Why
Yes,
do you think there are more and more cases of family violence?
alcohol.
Oh, many people are alcoholic in Korea.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, they're stressed from
Oh.
work or study or something.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So they try to relieve their stress by
By
mm,
hitting their family?
children or yeah, their
That's
wife
too
or yeah.
bad. So if you think that having someone to love them is a good way to fix drug addict problem, what is a good way to fix the alcohol problem in Korea?
Oh. Oh. I should call the police.
Really? Oh, okay, okay. Not love from family.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Really? But drug problem is worse than, alcohol, or it's the same.
I will change the answer.
What's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer?
Mm, mm. Oh, it's difficult.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay, okay. Well, do you have any questions about anything?
Not really.
Okay. Well, you're very, very good today. Keep up the good work, okay?
Yep.
I made some corrections in your feedback. Go over and, review
Yeah.
them, okay?
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much today, Crystal. I hope
Yeah.
to see you again in the future.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye.